Hi friends, welcome to Crack channel. In this video, I will show how to create this kind of letters by using Canva. Let's go to the video. Before going to the video, please like my channel and share and subscribe to your friends. Okay, let's go to the video. First go to canva.com and create a design, YouTube thumbnail. I just convert the color of background into black, so I will choose black color and click text, add a heading, so enter your text, resize it, change the font. I will select this font, this kind of font, rotary, yes. Resize your font and go to the effects, outline, and change the color into white. Duplicate it and change the effects into shadow and change the parameters, offset into 30. So all the values are going to go around 30. Okay, blur into 30 and change the value of transparency into 100 and change the color into, how to change the color, red color. This video is very helpful to you. Please try this type of font in your Canva. Okay, thank you for visiting my channel. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.